Do you often leave home in a hurry or sometimes forget your phone because it's still charging when you should already go? With Android 16 and One UI 8.0, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a new preset routine called Time to Leave Reminder. This routine gives you a spoken reminder at a specific time every day, and it even checks whether your phone is still charging. So you will not forget your schedule and you will not forget your phone. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine, tap Discover, scroll down the screen, under Advanced Routine section, select Time to Leave Reminder. Now let's look inside the routine. In the If section, by default, the time is set to 8 AM every day and turn off during holiday. If needed, you can tap it to change the time if you want. This set the exact time when the routine will run. In the Then section, here's what the routine automatically does. It checks your charging status, whether the phone is charging via cable or wirelessly, and it also checks the current date and time. So if your phone is charging, it will read aloud a reminder telling you current date and time and that your phone is still charging, so don't forget to take it when you leave. If your phone is not charging, it will read aloud the date and time and remind you that it's time to leave. Finally, tap Save to add the routine to your list. This routine is perfect if you leave home at the same time every day for school, work, meetings, or even morning training. And the best part, it helps you avoid the classic mistake of leaving your phone behind and it's still charging. It's a simple automation but very useful in daily life. Okay, thank you for watching. Please to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.